He's our
there. Ew.
that, baby.
Gross one.
More where that came from, bitch.
Oh my god.
Gross ass motherfucker,
So what is
bitch,
it
or nigger ass.
He was basically our uncle.
No, to me?
Oh my god.
To who?
I wish I never came down here.
What does he to me, though? I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh my freaking.
Like my second cousin, right?
No, he's not your cousin.
Well, he kind of.
Not a cousin, though. Wait, who is he to you?
I'm waiting.
Who is he to you?
Me?
Yeah.
My cousin.
Oh.
My partner in crime.
So he's our cousin, too.
Is that
No
including me?
shit.
Is that including me?
Well, he's like your
No
second
dick.
cousin.
Okay.
No,
dick.
third cousin.
Third cousin, awesome.
Something like that.
You better not post that.
Stop.
I'm waiting.
Can you get out of my face? Why the hell do you want?
What if you die?
Why the hell do you want what? I'm texting my aunt.
That's a double one. You know, I want to get this stuff out of your dick.
Really?
What?
I'm waiting for some.
This is gonna